everyone, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. Today I have a new produce service for you, and this was actually suggested to me by the Stitcher twin. So she suggested worthy flavors, because I always ask you guys, what do you use and what services should I try? And she actually recommended worthy flavors. They delivered to east of the Mississippi right now, not including Maine. I guess they're adding Maine in January. But if you live east of the Mississippi, this is an option for you. It's about the same price as Misfits Market. It is not all organic though. It's all U.S. grown produce. However, it is not all organic. But I thought I would try it anyway to see if maybe a lot of it was organic. This is the largest box, at least that's what I had ordered. And to be honest, I'm a little disappointed in the size because Misfits large box is about 6 inches taller and about a foot wider. So I'm not so sure this is the deal that I thought it was going to be. But we're going to open it together and find out. But first, if you're new here, I do unboxing videos at least once a week, and I have other videos for nutrition, healthy living, and fitness the rest of the week. So if you're interested in that kind of content, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and then tap the bell icon right next to it so you never miss a video. And if you're not new here, but you still haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Just go ahead and get that on out of the way. Okay, let's get this box open. It really is much smaller than I thought it was going to be. I was expecting, when I ordered the big box, I was expecting it to be huge. And they shipped this via FedEx today. And it did take 2 days. This is the second day, so it didn't get here any earlier. It does tell me what's inside, or what's supposed to be inside, so that's nice. Collard greens. And I did not pick any of this out. This was all what they gave me. Collard greens, and I have no way to know if this is organic or not, and I kind of don't like that. I thought maybe it would be marked, and it doesn't seem to be marked. So we'll see. They put their ice packs. Oh, that's interesting. So instead of ice packs, they're using frozen water bottles. That's interesting. I guess maybe because they think that it'll drink the water. I don't know. That's strange. But yeah. It's not an ice pack. I guess they were frozen, but now they're not. Water bottles. That's a little odd. Ocean spray cranberries. See, I won't eat these. It's a product of Canada, and it says on the box, American grown. So, I don't know. I mean, this says right on it, product of Canada. And they're trying to tell me that it's all American grown. Well, this is not American grown. And I won't eat them because they're not organic. So, if you want some ocean spray cranberries, come on over. I'll give them to you. Apples. There are no stickers on these apples. So it doesn't indicate, I have no way to know if this is organic or not. It says they're Granny Smith apples, but I don't know. I don't know where they came from. So, you know, I'm not really liking this so far. Carrots, Valley Farms, Michigan. Okay, so these are U.S. But they're conventional. They're not organic. Corn. See? With corn, it's so important to know if it's organic or GMO or what it is, and I don't know what this is. It says on this little sheet that it's bicolored corn, but I don't know. So if you want some corn and cranberries, come on over. Some more apples, and these to me don't look like they're organic. These are Red Delicious apples, and they don't look organic to me, but they're not marked. All the other produce services, the vegetables and fruit come with stickers on it, and you know what you're getting. I don't appreciate that this is not marked. I got one onion. It says yellow onions, but oh, there's 2 yellow onions. Again, I don't know if they're... Oh, here's one with a sticker. A pie pumpkin, and it has a sticker, and it is not organic because it does not start with a 9. We have a little mini pumpkin. I guess I can put that on the table. Okay. I'm guessing these sweet potatoes are not organic. Are they sweet potatoes? Yes. Because look at the size of that sweet potato. I don't think it's organic. Okay. Wow. Look at that. Those are some big sweet potatoes. And then we have russet potatoes, and these are also quite big. Look at the size of them. They're very dirty. But again, no sticker, not organic, I'm assuming. And then we have rosemary, sage, and thyme, which I actually really wanted. But I don't know. I'm going to go out on a limb here and say that these are not organic. This is the big box. It is not organic, and there was not very much in here. Look at this. This is everything that was in the box. And as far as I can tell, none of it is organic. Only one item, well, 3 items, if you count the carrots are in a bag and the cranberries are in a bag. Only one item was labeled. And none of it appears to be organic. And ocean spray cranberries from Canada are not a product of the US. So, Misfits Market, in this case, is a much better value for your money. Even Farm Box Direct, because Farm Box Direct is organic for about this same amount of produce. At least with Farm Box Direct, I know it's organic. I'm disappointed. What do you guys think? Are you disappointed in this? Would you try Worthy Flavors? Do you have another produce subscription box service that you like and that you'd like me to try? Leave me a comment down below. And if you are interested in trying Worthy Flavors for yourself and see how it goes, there is a coupon code in the description. I have more new content coming out at you for the holidays, all kinds of fun stuff for the next few weeks. If you like this video, please give it a like down below and then hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon. And if you really liked it, share it on social media and with your friends too. And if you go to aimeericca.com/freebies, you can get a lot of free stuff, and you can get as many of those things as you want. You don't have to just pick one. And I also have my programs at aimeericca.com/programs. If you're interested in a nutrition program, I have some options there that you can choose from. This is Amy. I will see you real soon. Bye.